As we can see from here, to iterate, it basically means to execute the same block of code over and over and over again. So that's what we call a loop. And when we're talking about loop, we have different types of them. First, a programming structure that implements iteration is called a loop. And what is that iteration? Iteration basically means that you are repeating something over and over, like you go over step by step. Let's say you have a collection of 1 to 5, and the first collection, the second collection, the third collection, and the fourth collection. And you remember we're going to start from 0. And if there are no any other collection, then we need to stop. So basically we iterate over each of the items that we have in a collection. And if we don't find any other collection further, then we need to stop the iteration. So here we can see that we have two types: indefinite iteration. So indefinite basically means that the numbers of times the loop is executed isn't specified explicitly in advance. So it's kind of going on and on and on and on and trying to check back if a certain condition is met. We're going to see an example of that and we understand what that means. And another one is what we call definite iteration. So, which is the number of times the designated block will be executed is explicitly specified at the time the loop starts. And that's an example of a for loop. First thing we can see here is the while loop. And a while loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as a condition remains true. So this is what the while loop is going to do. If the condition is true, then the while loop will continue to execute. Let's take a look at what that means quickly in the pie chart.